Unlock lightning-fast web performance and scalable hosting for your Webflow CMS projects with this in-depth Netlify tutorial. First, ensure your Webflow project is ready for this tutorial. We're focusing on a site with a robust Webflow CMS, meaning dynamic content that needs to be efficiently served. Navigate to your Webflow project settings and locate the export option. You'll want to export your site's code. This process generates a static build of your website, which is crucial for Netlify. Now, head over to Netlify and sign up for a free account. If you don't already have one, Netlify offers generous plans that are perfect for most Webflow sites. Once your Netlify account is set up, click on Add New Site and then select Import an Existing Project. You'll see different deployment methods for seamless automated builds whenever you update your Webflow content. Connecting to a Git provider is ideal, but for a direct manual deploy, you can also choose that option and drag your exported files. If you choose the Git integration, select your preferred Git provider and authorize Netlify to access your repositories. Then, choose the repository where you've pushed your Webflow exported code. Next, Netlify will prompt you to configure your build settings for most Webflow exports. The build command is usually empty, and the publish directory will be something like out or dist, depending on your export settings. After saving these settings, Netlify will automatically trigger your first build. You can monitor the process in the deploy logs once complete. Your Webflow site will be live on a Netlify subdomain. The magic of Netlify with Webflow CMS is automation. When you update content within your Webflow CMS and then publish your Webflow site, Netlify will detect the changes and automatically redeploy your site, ensuring your live website is always up to date. You can then connect your custom domain through Netlify's settings and benefit from their Global Content Delivery Network, or CDN, which ensures your website loads incredibly fast for visitors worldwide. By following these steps, you've successfully leveraged Netlify to host your Webflow CMS website, setting yourself up for enhanced performance, scalability, and effortless content updates.